If you record your screen on a Mac and play it on a widescreen monitor, it will look like a letterbox, black bars on the sides. In this video, I'll show you how to change your resolution on a Mac so your videos look fuller on TVs and larger monitors. I'll also show you the right settings so they don't look blurry at all when you zoom in just like this. Hi, I'm Mr. Matt. Welcome to the channel. The very first thing you need to do is visit GitHub using the link in the description. You see the app Better Display. Click on Download app for Mac OS. Once it's done downloading, open the installer and drag the app into your applications folder. Now, find it in your Launchpad and open it. Click Open on the security prompt. Next, you need to grant it permission to use your Mac's accessibility features. Open System Settings, toggle the button on, and enter your password or use Touch ID. Close those windows. Then click the monitor icon in the top right menu bar. This is where we'll control our resolution. But first, let's finish the setup. Click the gear icon to open Better Display Settings. Then click Create New Virtual Screen. We're keeping the pre-configured 16:9 aspect ratio, which is exactly what we want. Click Create Virtual Screen. Now that it's created, enable it by clicking Connect this virtual screen. After that, click the Apple logo in the top left, open System Settings, and go to Displays. You'll see two display options now, your regular Mac display and your new virtual screen. Leave the built-in display selected and change the user's drop-down from main display to mirror for virtual 16:9. And boom, your screen is now locked to a perfect 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. You'll notice that your icons and text suddenly look very small. Let's fix that so your recordings stay crisp and never look blurry when you zoom in. Click the monitor icon in the top right menu bar again. To return to your standard Mac screen at any time, just toggle off the virtual 16:9. Toggle it back on when you are ready to record. The reason everything looks tiny right now is that the resolution defaulted to 2560 by 1440. To match your Mac's natural UI scaling, just drag the resolution slider right here to the left. I'm going to set mine to 1920 by 1080p. Whatever resolution you choose, make sure high resolution, high DPI is turned on. If it's turned off, your screen recording will look blurry. Now, a quick heads up on the app itself. Creating and mirroring virtual screens like we just did does require the Pro license once the 14-day free trial ends, which costs around $18. If you make content or present on widescreen monitors regularly, it is easily the best investment you can make for your workflow. Note, I am not in any way affiliated with a company. It solved my long-lasting issues with screen recording on a Mac for YouTube, so I thought I should share with you. That's it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.